All right, guys. So I'm back. I'm here with my fiance. Say hi, babe.
What's up?
So today, you guys don't know, but I'm trying to start alcohol-free health journey. Everybody who knows me knows I love my wine and also just to have a good time. But I came across some alternative drinks and we're gonna try them out. Supposedly they let you still get a buzz. Mine is this one. This is Pinot Grigio and this is non-alcoholic. Doesn't say it gives you a buzz, but we're gonna get into what's called the 3 spirits, which I'm not sure if I really like that name. But I saw some reviews on it. So we're going to try it out for ourselves and see if it actually gives us a buzz. So the first one we're going to try is called
Livener.
the Livener. Yep. And it is basically it's a fruity, fiery elixir powered by YUC something, Citronda, energizing plants. It says to get lifted with vibrant berries, bright aromatics, and heat for lively euphoric vibes.
Let's try it.
Ooh, it has like a ginger smell.
Smell good.
It does. This is our little thing.
Pour me.
Cheers. Not bad. I like it. It has like a ginger, but we're supposed to
You
sip
know what
it.
it tastes like? It tastes like sorrow. Like my mom and my pops make.
Mm-hmm.
What's up?
All right, so now we're gonna try this one. Like I said, sorry for the interruption. This is the social one. Not the best smell, but let's try. Cheers, baby. You never cheers.
Cheers. Alright, got you.
I don't know. Tastes like I'm drinking prune juice.
Yeah, it do.
Now, just so you guys know, another tip, you are able to mix this. They said you can mix this with anything that's not alcoholic. Obviously, you don't want to mix it with alcohol; it's pointless. But I have this one right here. This is the Pinot Grigio, non-alcoholic, alcohol removed real wine. I'm gonna pour a little bit of that in here because it actually tastes like, and this doesn't have any type of like effect, but it kind of tastes like a little bit like a white grape juice without all the extra sugar.
Let me see the bottle for the mood.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Oh, babe, that helped it. So this has like a little strong aftertaste, kind of, but it's supposed to put you in the mood, make you floaty and blissful. So,
It's a lot of vitamins in here though.
which is a good thing.
Yeah.
So, we shall see. We back. So, guys, we're back. Do you feel anything with this one? I kind of already felt a little bit livener from the other one. So, this social one is kind of like, I guess it makes you want to talk, but I've been talking, so I can't tell. But either way, it's an acquired taste. It's different. On a side note, they also make, and I'm not getting paid for this, so I was just looking at other reviews. 3 Spirit Company also makes wines that are supposed to make you feel like you're, drinking wine as well with alcohol. But based on the reviews I watched yesterday from another reviewer, couple YouTube, they were drinking what we have now, and they were kind of saying that it works. So I guess it's to each its own. But we're gonna try the nightcap. I really don't want to calm down right now, so I might have to do the Livener again one more time. But the nightcap's supposed to just mellow you out. All right, babe. So tell them the honest truth. We're not gonna get into the nightcap yet. What do you feel about
The social?
Mm-hmm.
So the social tastes like this herbal vitamin I take called cat's claw. It tastes just like cat's claw, just like it. But it's good. It tastes good. I mean,
it's good, but does it give you a buzz? Is that what people want to know?
Yeah. They give you a little buzz, I think the other one is way better though.
Yeah, that
one tastes like I said. It tastes like Cersei. So, if you drink Cersei before, you know how it is. Hello.
All right, so we're back with the last one, which is supposed to be, what's it called?
Nightcap.
Nightcap, guys.
So it's calm, woody, and mellow.
What's in it? Right here. A smooth, indulgent elixir blended with lemon balm,
Okay.
valerian and hops, tree sap,
Yeah.
aromatic plants, and bright
For a
spices
dreamy,
entwined
mellow
for
moment.
dreamy, mellow
Moment.
moments. All right, babe. Pour me.
Alright.
So far, though, the lavender's... Oh, that's it. It's good. Okay, you guys see the color? Ooh.
Smell
Ooh.
good. Wow.
The smell smells good.
You smell? Hold on.
Smell it in my toast.
Oh, yeah.
I
Smell
like
good.
that. Ready? Let's go.
It's sweet.
It's good.
It's good. It's sweet, though.
It's good. 4 grams. It doesn't have any sugar. 4
So what's
grams.
that, the agave? That's what we taste.
I think this has root licorice, ginger, ashwagandha, turmeric. That's what I'm smelling.
Oh, yeah, turmeric good for
Oh,
you.
I love this.
Turmeric good
This
for
is
you.
probably my favorite. It's vanilla orchard.
Yeah, this is good.
Wow, this is really good. Has potassium, sorbate, and contains licorice, black pepper, and like I said, ashwagandha root, Canadian maple syrup.
Yeah, so it's definitely
Okay.
between what's
The
this?
lavender?
The lavender and the what? What's that?
The lavender and the nightcap.
The nightcap.
Here, hold on,
Definitely.
let me try to. So it's this one and this one. I still like this one the best. It got me live quick, and you can really taste that burning in your throat. Like you can feel like, right? Like it lingers,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
like alcohol. Like you can.
definitely taste
I think that's what it does. It tricks your brain because it thinks that. This one's more smooth. This is like drinking a
that's-
smooth
Boy, like a,
liqueur.
but that's why it's a nightcap. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense.
I think I'm
It's
gonna go back to
smooth,
this.
It's smoother. Just,
But it's good, and I honestly, I'm gonna see if that makes me feel more calm because I was already up there, bubbly. He's already being calm. So, honestly, overall for the taste, this one's probably the worst. But I probably would still get it if it's like a social thing.
yeah.
But these two are my favorite, and this one's number 1. But the 3 spirits, even though I don't like the names. Wait, we'll call back. The 3 spirits, I would highly recommend. They are a little pricey, but if you're trying to live better, be healthier, I mean, there's no price tag on your health. And I think that this, just for a good time to have fun, social events, is worth it. Right, babe?
Yeah, it's good.
So try it. Get this too. Add to it.
Get in tune.
Cheers.
Get in tune.